I'm going to be showing you how to fix integrity could not be verified on your iPhone. So the integrity could not be verified error on an iPhone usually appears when trying to install apps or updates, often from external sources or beta profiles. It means iOS cannot verify the app or profile either due to expired certificates, network issues, or corrupted files. So here's how to fix it. The first thing you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Some installations need a stable internet connection to verify certificates. The second thing you can do is just restart your iPhone. Just press and hold the power plus volume button and just slide it to turn off your phone and turn it back on. Sometimes a simple restart resolves verification errors. You can also try going to your settings and checking for software updates. Sometimes they can also cause glitches. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix integrity could not be verified on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.